Managing tower assets efficiently starts with accurate, high-quality 3D reality models. But waiting for third-party tools or vendors can really slow things down. But what if you could generate your own reality models? With OpenTower IQ, you can. In fact, it only takes a few clicks and there are no external or additional tools required. A reality model is only as good as the data behind it. In OpenTower IQ, precision begins by selecting the right input. Here, we're working with imagery from multiple drone flights, and we're using OpenTower's Show Flight Path feature to help us identify and choose the best datasets for model generation. With the data selected, we'll generate a new full model and choose our preferred options, including automatically detecting images with RTK positioning data. As OpenTower generates the model, it checks our input sources and flags any invalid data with a warning. Those entries aren't deleted, they're simply ignored during processing. Model generation runs in the background, letting us continue working on other projects uninterrupted. And with real-time built-in status updates and email notifications, we always know when our model is ready to use. Here's an excellent workflow tip when working with reality models. In OpenTower IQ, we can check the calibration of a model prior to requesting any detection processes or model regeneration. Once analyzed, we can show the calibration output to see the total area that will be used during model generation. We can even edit and resize the bounding box to further define the area that will be used for reconstruction of the model. Save time, improve your workflows, and deliver telecom tower projects faster with OpenTower IQ.